Cooking Christmas dinner together.
Christmas dinner is coming up. Are we ready to handle all the cooking?
I think so. Let's finalize the menu first.
Okay, for the main dish, turkey or ham?
Ham. It's easier to cook, and everyone loves it.
Agreed. For sides, we should do mashed potatoes, green beans, and maybe roasted veggies.
Sounds good. Should we add mac and cheese? It's a crowd pleaser.
Definitely. What about appetizers?
Cheese platter and maybe stuffed mushrooms?
Perfect. And dessert, pie, cake, or cookies?
Let's do all three. A classic pie, a Christmas cake, and sugar cookies for the kids.
Good call. Should we make everything from scratch or buy some ready-made?
A mix. We'll make the main dishes and buy the desserts to save time.
Smart. Should we set up a drink station with wine, eggnog, and hot chocolate?
Absolutely. And maybe a signature cocktail, like a spiced cranberry spritzer.
Love it. When should we start cooking?
Early afternoon, so everything is ready by 6 p.m.
Agreed. Do we need any special table settings?
I have a set of Christmas-themed plates and napkins. Should we add candles?
Yes, and maybe a small centerpiece with holly or poinsettias.
Perfect. Should we plan any after-dinner activities?
How about a Christmas movie or a gift exchange?
Great idea. This is going to be such a memorable Christmas.